Imagine walking onto the factory floor in the year 2030. You don't grab a clipboard, and you don't spend your morning guessing which machine is about to act up. Instead, you grab your AI assistant, and it already knows exactly what needs fixing before a single gear stops turning. Welcome back to Smart Autonomous Maintenance. There's a massive myth out there that AI is coming to replace machine operators. But the truth? AI is actually here to give you superpowers and make your daily maintenance checks easier than ever before. By the end of this video, you will know the exact 3 AI tools that are going to revolutionize how you approach autonomous maintenance, turning you from a reactive fixer into a predictive machine whisperer. Let's dive in. Tool number 1 is what I like to call the AI stethoscope. Think about how a doctor listens to your heartbeat to know if you're healthy. By 2030, you'll be doing the exact same thing with your CNC machines and conveyor belts, but using smart acoustic sensors. Instead of relying on your own ears to catch that weird rattling noise over the roar of the factory floor, tiny AI microphones will be attached to your machines 24/7. These sensors learn the normal sound of your equipment. The split second a bearing starts to wear out or a belt gets slightly loose, the AI detects the microscopic change in the sound wave and sends an alert directly to your phone, tablet, smart glasses, smartwatch, or smart ring. It literally whispers to you that a breakdown is coming days before it actually happens. Tool number 2 feels like it's straight out of a sci-fi movie: smart augmented reality AR glasses. As a machine operator doing routine autonomous maintenance, you know the struggle of juggling tools in your hands while trying to read a complicated maintenance manual or dirty checklist. In the near future, you'll just slip on a pair of lightweight safety glasses. When you look at a pump or a motor, the AI will project digital glowing arrows right in front of your eyes, showing you exactly which bolt to tighten or where to apply lubrication. If you run into a problem you've never seen before, the AI highlights the faulty part in red and projects a step-by-step 3D video tutorial right into your field of vision. It's like having a master technician standing over your shoulder, guiding your hands. Finally, we have tool number 3, the AI maintenance chatbot. Forget about digging through filing cabinets or scrolling through thousands of old PDF reports to figure out when a machine was last serviced. By 2030, every machine on your floor will be connected to a conversational AI. You'll be able to walk up to a control panel and simply ask out loud, "Hey, when was the last time the hydraulic fluid was changed on line 4? Or, why is this pressure valve running hot?" The AI will instantly scan years of maintenance data, give you the exact answer in plain English, and even suggest the quickest way to fix it based on past successful repairs. It turns hours of troubleshooting into a 5-second conversation. The future of autonomous maintenance isn't about working harder, it's about working smarter with the right tech by your side. These 3 tools will make sure you are always one step ahead of the machine. If you want to start preparing for this future right now, check the link below to visit tpmverse Training and Consulting to connect with us. If you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button to join the smartest operators on YouTube. Next up, click the video on screen to see how you can start using basic AI to predict breakdowns right now. Keep it smart, keep it running, and I'll see you in the next one.